If you want to verify your Discord account quickly and avoid missing important features, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. Verifying your Discord account only takes a minute or two, and it helps confirm that your email is connected properly so you can receive notices, join communities more smoothly, and keep your account secure. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord in your web browser by going to discord.com/app. Once Discord loads, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon labeled User Settings. This is where Discord keeps all of your account and privacy options. After that, make sure you are staying on the My Account tab. This section shows your account details, including your username, email address, and verification status. Now look near your email address. If your account is not verified yet, Discord will usually show a button that says Verify or Resend Verification Email. If you see that option, click it. Discord will send a verification email to the inbox connected to your account. Now switch over to your email account and open the message from Discord. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or updates folder just in case it landed there. Inside the email, click the verification link provided by Discord. That link will confirm your email address and complete the verification process. Once you click it, you should be taken back to Discord or see a confirmation message letting you know your account is now verified. If the email doesn't arrive, go back to Discord and try resending the verification email. Double check that you typed your email correctly in your account settings and make sure you're checking the same inbox that's linked to your Discord profile. Sometimes email delays happen, so waiting a minute or two can also help, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to verify your Discord account using the web version in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.